Welcome to Call to Adventure.
On Table Runners!
Oh my god!
Posing, serving face.
Yes!
I messed that up.
Nope.
Anyway, welcome back to Table Runners and Call to Adventure. Today we are doing Call to Cosplay, where we did a full weekend of different cosplays. It was 3 days with 3 looks, and I'm gonna let Tory talk about day 1.
The first day of our 3-day cosplay extravaganza was Neverland Mermaids. It was so much fun, and this was a huge dream photo shoot for a lot of us involved. We rented out a really cool oasis pool, and we recreated the mermaid scene from Peter Pan.
Imagine real live mermaids.
Would you like to meet them?
Oh, Peter, I'd love to.
All right, come on.
It's Peter. Oh! Hello, Peter. Hello, Peter. Hello, Peter.
Hello, girls.
I'm so glad to see you. Why did you stay away so long? Did you miss me?
Want to hear about the time I cut off Hook's hand and threw it to the crocodile?
Oh, I've always liked that one. Me too.
Well, there I was on Marooner's Rock, surrounded by 40
Peter.
or 50 pirates.
Oh, she.
Huh? Her? Oh, that's Wendy.
A girl. What's she doing here? And in her night dress, too. Come on, dearie. Join us for a swim. Oh, please, I'm not dressed. Oh, but you must. We insist. No, please. Too good for us, eh?
For this shoot, I made a bunch of mermaid tails for all of our friends to wear, as well as all of the different mermaid tops from Disney's Peter Pan. So this includes seashell tops, starfish tops, Laday, and Tabitha, who was really excited to be topless. The only struggle with this shoot was trying to figure out which mermaids from Disney's Peter Pan to use, because if you go and watch the scene, there's a lot more mermaids than you think there is, all right? There's a ton of them, and they keep changing what they're wearing. One mermaid goes through 3 different hair colors. So we kind of picked out the ones that are most recognizable or ones that are nostalgic to us and made those work with all of our actresses. This shoot involved a lot of our really close friends, some people you might recognize like Jessi, myself, Maria, and Brooke, and then also some other friends, Isabel, Krystal, Camella, and Tabitha. My favorite moment from this photo shoot was Tabitha in the waterfall. She was really excited to recreate this one scene, but the waterfall was really loud, so it was kind of hard to hear each other, and we just kept yelling back and forth, but things were getting lost in translation. And Tabitha was very excited and very dramatic and kept giving us a whole lot of, what was she saying?
Hello, Peter.
Why are you doing it like that?
Hello, Peter! And we were like, Tabitha, why are you British? And at one point, Mark was yelling, Tabitha, go slower. And she goes, take a shower? And then the day ended with me deciding it was a good idea to jump into the pool and go down the water slide in my Peter Pan costume. Don't jump in a chlorine pool in suede. It's okay, everything turned out fine, but it was very funny and honestly happy I did it. We did have a makeshift lifeguard on set helping everyone in and out of the pool and just overseeing the mermaids because they were in mono fins, which are kind of like flippers but attached. So safety is a big part of just making sure everything went smoothly. So shout out to our friend and roommate, Emily.
Look at our beautiful lifeguard on duty.
For being the bestest and helping us out so much that day. For all of the mermaid tails, we actually got the fabric at the downtown LA Fabric District from one of our really good friends' shop, Ray. We'll insert his shop here. If you need fabric of any kind, we highly, highly, highly recommend going there. I get all of my cosplay fabric from him, and it's the best. And now for day 2, back to you, Jessi.
Before we jump into day 2, really quick, this location for day 1 was sponsored by Swimply. I'm gonna put the link of the place down below, but they offered up this beautiful pool location. We did pay a cleaning fee, but it was gorgeous and perfect, and it looked just like Neverland's
You were so close.
It was gorgeous and perfect and looked just like Neverland's Mermaid Lagoon. That'll cut. Day 2, we did the Disney princesses as ballerinas. We got really lucky with this one. We were at a thrift shop in Burbank called It's a Wrap, and they were selling a whole rack of tutus. So Tory took those, took them completely apart, reskinned them, remade them for the different Disney princesses as ballerinas. This included dyeing them, creating new overlays for the skirts, matching all the different colors and fabrics from the LA fabric district to the princesses' colors. So it was really cool to see them all come together and everyone looked so magical. For this shoot, there were a lot of people there. Hold on. It was Tabitha, Tory, Maria, and myself, Camella, Brooke, our roommate, Emily. Shout out to Emily again. I'm missing somebody. And Isaiah. This day was a lot of fun. We started with getting solo pictures of everybody on the pink seamless. That way we could do our Princess Pink Void pictures. And then we took some candids throughout the different shop. We were in a beautiful studio called Dress Up Studio. We're gonna put the link down below. They allowed us to come for the day and they were so kind. And actually, we have some clips from the owner herself so she can talk about her shop.
Hi, I'm Bree Francis and this is Dress Up Studio. I started Dress Up Studio because I feel like as I've been getting older, there's fewer opportunities to try on these crazy outfits and these big, beautiful ball gowns, and other than your wedding or prom or a quinceañera, I feel like there doesn't need to be a milestone. There could just be, we should still be able to try on these like silhouettes. I got the idea for Dress Up Studio while visiting Japan with my boyfriend. There's lots of different costume photo studios over there, and I wanted to bring it back to the US, but with a pop culture twist, with things from romantic comedies and different characters from movies, different eras, and just really bring dress up to adults. I just believe that it's not something only for kids. I think that as you get older, you should be able to have these like moments of joy and self-love through dressing up, through costumes when you're older, and it shouldn't be just for kids. Some of my favorite items in this collection are just the dresses. The bigger the better. I feel like we don't wear these silhouettes very often, and so I love like bringing these wild gowns to our guests so that they can see what it feels like to try on something that they might never try on, or maybe they didn't get a chance to at a wedding or a prom or whatever milestone they might have missed. A little bit about the experience of Dress Up Studio. So you'll come with your friends, your family, your loved ones, you'll try on our costumes, you'll move into the accessory room, which is where I am now, and then you'll move on to the photo studio and take really cute pictures. We offer complimentary champagne, and it's just an all-around really fun experience. Whether you're looking to do a photo shoot on your own, celebrate a birthday or a bachelorette, I'm sure you'll have a really wonderful, magical time here at our studio. So you can find us on Instagram or TikTok at dressupstudioevents.com, or visit our website at dressupstudioevents.com, and you can book your magical session.
Guess what we're doing today? Another photo shoot. I'm gonna put on eyeliner and you're gonna watch me struggle because I'm nervous because I have an audience. Today we're doing ballerina princesses because I designed these during COVID, and me and Jessi have like wanted to do it forever, and I finally got stuff to make the costumes and like get people to do it. It's fine, eyeliner's fine. So we're very excited, and we have this wicked, awesome, beautiful, stellar location. Yeah, I'm just so thrilled, and I finished the costumes maybe 10 minutes before we left to come here. So we're gonna hope that they don't fall apart. I did one eye. Now for the other one. Hold on. Woo! It's good enough. Could you bring this back to Snow White, please? Thank you.
Snow White is currently slamming their point shoe actually against the front door. Yeah.
Oh look, it's Belle! Hi, Belle!
You look beautiful!
This is my first time wearing it.
It's so pretty!
Does it work?
Yes!
Hi.
So I made most of the costumes this past like week or two. The fairy costumes, yeah, the fairy costumes have all been within the past week. The princesses I started a little bit longer, probably like a month ago, but then I like ripped them apart and made all the bases and left them like that until like last week because I was waiting for Tabitha to get here so I could have a little bit of help. And then Mermaids I made all the day before the shoot, and Peter Pan I also made the night before the shoot because I'm crazy. This is my wig. She just needs to be pinned a lot because she'll slip and slide and move around. But I did make this wig. I sewed it together myself. It's seen better days, but she's still pretty nice, I think. Hello, Peter! And we were like, Tabitha, dainty. It was so funny. You look gorgeous. This is amazing. What else was funny? Mark's face. Oh! Which you'll never see. I'm just kidding. You have a beautiful face, Mark.
Also, I would like to refute the slander that I hate editor Mark. Not true.
I've heard her say it.
I've not said it a single time.
You heard it here for the second time,
I love you,
folks.
editor Mark.
Oh, I see. So she hates editor Jessi, and it's just covering.
We have fun
midnight
here.
yet.
We have fun here. We have fun here.
Someone say the basement.
She's been let loose.
I was a dancing poodle, and after that they were like, you know what? I don't think ballet is for you. I mostly sang the words to the dancing poodle song. I didn't really care about doing the dancing part.
Right.
But I wanted everyone to know I knew all the lyrics.
That tracks.
Yeah.
And you're not supposed to sing when you dance.
Oh, well, I messed that up.
Nope, I'm good.
Yeah, I think that's everything from days 1 and 2. Back to Tory for day 3.
Finally, day 3 was Disney's Pixie Hollow Fairies. That was awful.
I was gonna say, let's do that.
I looked angry. Disney's Pixie Hollow. Now, here's the thing about day 3. I love the Disney fairies. This is a shoot I've always wanted to do, costumes I've always wanted to make. I did spend a lot of time on these. I made them all from scratch, and I hand painted all of them myself too to look like flower petals and leaves. I was really excited to make them. For most of the costumes, I actually took fabric markers and drew the lines that I wanted, and then used a spray bottle and a paintbrush to kind of blend the colors in a little better. If I had used something like paint, it would have been a little bit too thick, and I wanted kind of more of a stain effect than a paint effect, so I used the markers instead of paint. However, I got a callback for a show that took me away for all of Sunday, including making me 3 hours late for the shoot, so we had to push it back. And I did not end up finishing any of the costumes in time, so we kind of just put on what we had and had a fun time in the woods as little fairies, which is fine because sometimes cosplay can just be for fun and you can just be little fairies running around with your friends in the forest.
Hit him hard.
We'll do it again in the future. This shoot was really great though. It was nice to hang out with everybody and see everybody wear the fun things that I made. For this shoot, we had a lot of the same friends from the other days, but also some new ones. So we had myself, Jessi, Tabitha, Camella, Isabel, Emily, and our other friend who is also named Jessi. Isaiah did take some really pretty solo photos of everyone, which was really nice. It was golden hour and we had a lot of the sun in on us. It was just beautiful.
Oh my goodness, I get to take over. I actually don't know how close I'm supposed to hold the mic to my face.
It out of levels for you.
Oh.
So you don't do too fast.
Fancy. What it is nobody should ever let me touch technology ever. I only know how to turn on my phone about 50% of the time anyways. I'm so sorry. I ramble a lot.
We're sisters.
Yeah, can't you tell?
I could just go through the entirety of the Jungle Cruise spiel.
Oh, absolutely.
Watch your head, watch your step, everybody. Use those hand railings. Welcome on board the world-famous Jungle Cruise. Okay, so now we're entering the hippo pool. Wow. Actually, we have lots of baby hippos here today. And if you actually listen really carefully, you can hear all of the baby hippos calling out to their mama hippos. Okay, I'm going to put the microphone down. You guys listen, you can hear those hippos. Mom, I'm hungry. Mom. Oh my God, guys, did you hear those baby hippos? I didn't know they did that. Anyway, it's a moment you've all been waiting for. It's the beautiful, the amazing, the spectacular, the backside of water. Woo! Get it? Because you're a water fairy. Yeah. That's it. If you didn't enjoy my cruise today, my name is Skipper Vidya. If you did enjoy my cruise, my name is Skipper Periwinkle. Thank you.
We were very, very fortunate that Tory made all of these costumes from scratch. Hand painted everything, stitched it all up, made the wings with the help of everybody. But Tory was then busy all day today before the shoot when we had some last minute things to finish. So we kind of threw it together. And it looks great. Tinkerbell's standing over there with her thumbs up. So yeah, I think it all came together great. It's a little bit more hodgepodge, but honestly, we're all just here having fun today, so it's gonna be what it'll be. A lot of returning friends, a lot of new friends. We also brought back lifeguard Emily. Yeah, she's not forced to be here at all. She's our roommate. And yeah, Isaiah's got some fairies up there taking pictures. We've got the sisters behind me taking selfies. We're gonna make some TikToks, and we're really just hanging out today. And honestly, I think everyone needed a break because the past 2 days have been a lot. Don't overwork yourselves. Cosplay can be hard. Take breaks, drink water, don't get overheated.
Water is good.
Not everyone's costume has to look perfect all the time. It's okay to be safety pinned in. Everyone's outfits are somewhat safety pinned on. Oh yeah.
Camella's safety pinned.
Camella made her wig last night by spraying glue into her wig.
She's not going anywhere. And it looks awesome.
Locked and loaded. So yeah, doesn't always have to be perfect. Just have fun and go with it. This is our last day with Camella in town. She flew out here for this weekend, and Tabitha heads out this week as well. So even though we weren't fully prepared, we wanted to hang out with all of our friends and do one last big shoot. So yeah, I feel like that actually covers all different aspects of cosplay. Like we have, yeah, thank you.
We did end up con crunching, or cosplay shoot crunching, and we were up every night still working to finish the costumes and get everything done for the next day. So I do have to thank all my friends so much for helping me out with finishing everything and adding the little details. I wouldn't have been able to do it without everybody's help. But it was great. We ordered food, we watched movies, we hung out while we crafted. Highly recommend.
What other cosplays do you want us to do? Probably not within a 3-day span again, but we will cosplay some more.
Yes, please recommend things for me to make.
Speaking of Tory making things, check out Nights at the Craft Table coming soon. We'd love some recommendations on what you want how-tos on.
Yeah.
But that about covers it here for us on Call to Adventure's Call to Cosplay episode. So thanks for joining us,
and fly with you later! Yay!
Only head-butted me when you walked
You're
away.
welcome.
And my lip gloss got stuck on your hair. Anyway.
Cutting.